Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan, Assistant Professor, MIT Aurangabad, presenting my next part for curve tracing, Cartesian type. Let us discuss this example. Trace the curve y is equal to x divided by 1 plus x square with full justification. Again it is in terms of xy means Cartesian type and explicit, as y is expressed in terms of x only, and therefore we have to follow the same 5 points. Point number 1, symmetry. Out of 4, which one exists here? Power of y is odd here, therefore it is not symmetrical about x-axis. We check whether it is symmetrical about y-axis. Power, there are two terms of x, one with odd power and another with even power, and due to this odd term it is not symmetrical about y-axis also. Then we check it whether it is symmetrical about the line y equal to x or not. Replacing y by x and x by y, here it become x, here it become y upon 1 plus y square, means change is there, and as change is there it is not symmetrical about the line y equal to x. Fourth symmetry, replacing y by minus y, and x by minus x, okay, this become minus minus, it become plus, therefore it is y is equals to x upon 1 plus minus x bracket square is x square, and as no change is there, therefore curve is symmetrical in opposite quadrant. A fourth symmetry exists here. Whatever the curve we have to draw, it must be symmetrical in opposite quadrant. Means if it exists in first, we have symmetrical portion in third, or if it exists in second, symmetrical portion in fourth quadrant. Therefore, this curve is having symmetry in opposite quadrant. Then point number 2, origin and tangents at the origin. We have to check whether curve passes through origin or not. Put y and x as 0, therefore left hand side is 0, right hand side is 0 divided by any number, we get 0. 0 is equals to 0 means curve passes through the origin. Origin lies on that curve, and as it passes, point of intercept, a tangent at the origin or tangents at the origin. For that we have to find the lowest degree term or terms. Therefore, if we simplify this, it is y into 1 plus x square is equals to x. Degree of first term is 1, degree of second term is 3, and degree of this last term is 1. Therefore, there are two terms with lowest degree. One is y, x, if you transfer to left hand side it becomes minus x, and then equating it to 0, it implies y equal to x, that line as the tangent. this line is the tangent at origin 0 0. Okay, means a single point of contact at origin by this line. And then third point, point of intersection. Point of intersection with x-axis. Put y equals to 0. Therefore, if we put y equals to 0, it is x upon 1 plus x square. Cross multiplying it, we get x equals to 0. Therefore, point of intersection is x0 when y0. Okay. Therefore, only origin is the point of intersection with x-axis, or know any other point of intersection of this curve with any axis, whether x-axis, y-axis, or this line. Only origin as a single point of intersection. Fourth point, asymptote. We check for both. First, parallel to y-axis and then parallel to x-axis. If we have to find the asymptote parallel to y-axis, find the highest degree term in y. It is y only one term. Its coefficient is 1 plus x square. Equate that coefficient to 0. It gives you x square is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to root of minus 1, means imaginary asymptote. Means know any asymptote parallel to x-axis. Then we check for asymptote parallel to x-axis. For that, find the highest degree term in x. Highest degree term in x is x square. Its coefficient is y. Then equate that coefficient to 0. Therefore, y equals to 0 means x-axis is the asymptote parallel to x-axis, or x-axis itself is the asymptote. Asymptote means this become a tangent to the curve at infinity. Whether where curve exists or where curve does not exist. Already we have seen curve exists in opposite quadrant. What will happen if we consider x as positive? When x is positive, this become positive term. square of any positive term is again positive. Positive divided by another positive number, we get y as positive. Means when x is positive, we get y is also positive. When both x and y are positive, means point is in first quadrant. And as we are getting any point which is in first quadrant, a symmetrical portion in third quadrant. Means curve exists in only first and third quadrant. Means curve does not exist in second and fourth. Okay. Therefore, keeping this in mind, we have to complete the figure. Therefore, curve exists in first and third okay. And therefore, after discussing all these 5 points, we have to complete the figure. X-axis, y-axis, origin. Okay. The symmetrical about the line y equal to x. Therefore, we show that line y equal to x. Therefore, this is the line y equal to x, making an angle of 45 degree, about which curve is symmetrical. Curve is passing through origin. Therefore, origin is one of the point of intersection, or only one point of intersection. Then asymptote is x-axis. Therefore, this x-axis is the asymptote, and as it is asymptote, indirectly we have to show a part of the curve as a parallel. Therefore, I will make here parallel part and have symmetrical parallel part in third quadrant, as curve exists in first and third quadrant. Okay. This line is a tangent at origin. Therefore, the shape of the curve is slightly parabolic or single point of contact. Therefore, don't cross anywhere this line when we are to join this point with this part. Therefore, we make shape of the curve is like this. Why we are not joining it by straight line? Because it is not a linear curve, it is with degree. Three. And then have symmetrical part in third quadrant. Therefore, for this portion, I will draw a symmetrical part. means curve exists in first and third quadrant. It is symmetrical about this line, means whatever this part we have a symmetrical part in third quadrant, passing through origin, and at origin this line is a tangent. Therefore, whatever the points I have discussed, I have shown all in the figure. Therefore, this is the required curve, required tracing of that curve. Some different type than the previous example whatever I have discussed so far, because previous example either curve exists in curve is symmetrical to x-axis or symmetrical to y-axis. Here it is not symmetrical to x or y, it is symmetrical about this line y equal to x. Okay, therefore if you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel for latest updates or videos. Thank you.